Hi everyone, it's October 22nd and I wanted to make a quick video to show you the highlights of the big Insider Bars update I posted yesterday. If you've not got your free trial yet, here's a shortcut to the trading app store. And for those of you who tried it earlier on back in the summer and want to check out the new features, if you email me, I can reset your trading app store account so you can get a second trial. After the trial, Insider Bars is $19 a month. Also, TradeStation is hosting an Insider Bars order flow webinar on October 28th. If you want to join us live, here's a link to sign up, or you can see it on their YouTube channel afterward. Okay, so let's look at the update. First up is value areas. Your college statistics book said that 1 and 2 standard deviations encompass 68% and 95% of normally distributed data. Of course, we all know that market data rarely is normally distributed. Data is usually skewed compared to standard deviation bands, as you can see here in this NQ chart. On the right is the same data with value area calculations. Instead of standard deviations, the bands are based on 68% and 95% of the actual volume. It's very different, huh? This is now available on PriceFall Pro and both for the session and for individual bars on Insider Bars. Starting with update 12, you now have some new options available to create custom profiles. To do this, just open the input screen, click on Custom here, and what you want to do is click on the bar prior to where you'd like your profile to begin. So let's say we want to start a profile from the low right here. Click on the bar prior to that, then click OK. And you see your profile was drawn based on the region you selected. This is going to be a lot easier to use, and a lot more fine-tuning is possible, where you can select individual price zones rather than just on a day-to-day basis. So I think you're going to like this a lot. A lot of people have been interested in making profiles of very short-term price swings, and this will allow you to do that. Okay, let's go to Insider Bars now. There are a lot of big changes in the paint bar section in Insider Bars at the top of the screen. Some new candlestick paint bars are now available finally. But what I really want to focus on is the new bar-based statistics, which you can use with any paint bar or any chart display style. You can show value area, volume weighted average price, and point of control statistics for individual bars or candles now. In the chart you see here, the vertical gray bars within each candle are the value area for that candle. And I have them set here for 70%, but you can set them for any percent of the volume that you choose. The little white dots, white circles, are the volume weighted average price for each bar, and the yellow arrows are the point of control, or the price, or the price at which has the most volume for that bar. And so there's some great stuff here too. You can also see here the session value area lines in orange. This is something I think you're going to like a lot. I like it a lot. You control these in the same section at the bottom of the input screen where you control the volume weighted average price. You can choose from a collection of combinations of standard deviation lines and value area lines to set it up exactly the way you want it. The biggest update I saved for last. Sometimes you don't want to see the full Insider Bars detail display like I have shown on the left here. Update 12 introduces a new style called markers. Markers are shown on the right here. They're little squares on the right side of the bar or candle, which only appear when you have one-sided buying or selling. As you can see, the chart is a lot simpler. So the red dots correspond to the extreme price zones in the chart on the left, and the blue dots correspond to the extreme buying points. So you can control this, and you can filter it by volume as well if you don't want to show points which have very low volume. So there's a whole lot more to update 12, but these are the highlights. Make sure you check the help files when you download the new update, and drop me a line and let me know what you think of the new features. Thanks for watching.